wish I have one. 150 Robux. So keep eating, eating, and eating. Part 5. Crazy? Newbie. Guys, I'm not English, but sometimes English because of ABC Learning Center. Diba? You get distracted by Roblox. Yeah, why are you not using my old iPad? It's a broke screen, and so I'm using my phone. Use my iPad because my little brother broke my iPad. But now, he broke my iPad. Being a good child. Ah! Guys, you guess this. I think there's one. So let's down.